Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Afiq Rafiuddin bin Abdul Rahim. Our project supervisor's name is Encik Abdul Aziz bin Abdullah. We are Group 1 from DKM5C. Now, we will present about our project 2, that is e-bike 4S wheelchair. Our project is actually to help the elderly and disabled people who have difficulty walking. We have created a tool as an additional compartment to their wheelchair to help and ease them to move from one place to another. By using a e-bike 4S wheelchair, they can expand their range of daily activities, which can improve their quality of life and help them achieve independence. Next, the problem statement for this study are: wheelchair users not able to move in long direction. They need to use large amount of energy and then feel exhausted when they move in direction. Next, not everyone who use the wheelchair tend to move on their own, especially the weak ones. Next, our objective for this study are to design a device to attach an existing manual wheelchair by developing a frame and mechanism for the method device of the existing manual wheelchair. Next, to develop the wiring system for the device as stated on number 1, and also the performance of the device. There are a scope for our study. First, to develop an idea for the better device by using DC motor, to design the frame with the software inventor, going to build an ergonomic product, and last but not least, to build this project using the high quality components.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Hamzah. Metric number is 10DKM1AF11110. I will explain about the literature review for the first objective. Develop a frame for the method device for existing manual wheelchair. The first one from the Kamoka 2006. The seat structure component, high temperature. The second is Disha 2020. The steel is in alloy iron and carbon and sometime or other element. The third is the Skamit and Jim 2004. Frame assembly, where other components are formed from the dissimilar materials such as a metallic and the non-metallic material. For the second literature review, to develop a mechanism for the device and existing manual wheelchair. The first one is from the Mr. Wishu 2019, DLC motor operation, knowing the different motor type and how they work to make the reliable move can be extremely helpful. Second, Kamlesh 2019, efficiency and effective while braking, how well regenerate braking works. After that, the third literature review, to develop a wiring system for the existing manual wheelchair. The first one from Norden 2014, what is the lithium battery, effect on the environment. Second, from the Xiang 2012, advantage of the lithium battery and disadvantage of the lithium battery.
My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Abidin and my metric number is 01DKM18F1081. The next is our dimension and design for our projects that we create using the inventor. Next is methodology, our research and ideas to create this project, that is e-bike for a wheelchair. The next is flowchart to create our project, and for the Gantt chart we have from semester 4 to semester 5.
Here we can see the total cost of e-bike 4S wheelchair is RM1,384.78.
So, this is the result from this our project. Maximum weight vs the maximum speed. Weight limit for the e-bike 4A wheelchair is almost relevant. A person weight less than 70 kg will probably never have to worry about the weight limit. And the biggest weight limit for the e-bike 4A wheelchair is which is 300 kg. The average weight limit for the adult is the 120 kg. From the analysis data, we get a few graphs, which is maximum speed for the economy, maximum speed for the medium, maximum speed for the high. This is the weight vs the pressure graph, and this picture show the maximum pressure for this our project.
For our discussion is, we managed to learn a new thing and solve our project problem fastly. In conclusion, our project has shown many advantages from other electrical bike, such as we are much cheaper, and lastly, that our reference.
That's all from us. Thank you.